is my doggy trying to get a scrunchie off his foot. Just want to see how long it would take. You see that? Look, it's a little blue scrunchie. And I think he just gave up. Me and Nathan are home alone, so we're just chilling. Chilling in my room. There's nothing to do. He's just chewing my bottle, which I did not finish. Nathan! Nathan! Hello? Nathan! Yeah, over here. Stupid dog. He's still chewing. So I think my dog gave up on the scrunchie, so I'm about to take it off. But he won't let me. As you can see, he's biting me. See? He's trying to... Really, Nathan? Nathan, really? See? He's trying to... Look at him. He's attacking me. Look. Stop. Ow. Look at this. Listen. Listen. Jenna. Stupid. I just want to help you. Look at him biting me. Listen. You want to do this the hard way? Where's that scrunchie? I'm going to get the scrunchie off of you one way or another, okay, dog? Alright? And you still snapping. Okay, I'm going to start recording when I get the scrunchie off because he's obviously not letting me. Look, every time when I go for a foot, look at him watching my hand. Scrunchie. On this foot. Yes, on this foot. See, I got it, Nathan. You don't gotta run anymore. Look. Stupid. Say hi to the camera. Hi, my name's Nathan. Look at him looking all cute. Don't lick my camera. Big nose. That's how you can tell this is my dog, because he has a big nose. Tell everybody hi. I'm the cutest ever. Okay, bye.